Make a great choice today with the 2015 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, roll stability control, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cargo area light, compass, trip odometer. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This Ford-certified pre-owned vehicle has undergone a rigorous 172-point inspection by factory-trained technicians. We notice everything. Enjoy the confidence of the comprehensive limited warranty that offers coverage on more than 500 components. Relax, it's covered. See your dealer for details.